I'm Eric Allen from EdenBrothers.com, and today we have a very, very special treat for you.
We are talking about one of the easiest flowers in the world to grow. Certainly one of the most popular. I am talking about zinnias. Kids love to grow them, and everybody loves them in the garden or in a big vase in the house. Best of all, they give you the greatest quick color you can add to your summer garden in any zone in North America, and they come up in just about 3 to 5 days. Just plant them in spring after frosts and stand back. Zinnias at Eden Brothers are not just your grandmother's zinnias. EdenBrothers.com has over 50 different kinds of zinnias and lots of never-before-seen new ones. Take a look. Here are the famous California giants that everybody loves. They grow up to 4 feet tall with flowers a full 5 inches across. Spectacular in the garden. Perfect for a very big vase inside. And for something a little bit smaller, we have the famous Thumbelina mix, which grows to only 8 inches. Never fails. Then there's the Lilliput Zinnas that stay under 2 feet. Both are perfect for blooming edging in the garden. Remember the famous cut and come again zinnias? We have them too, and dozens of others. Best of all, they're a snap to grow. Just give them full sun and good soil. In spring after frosts, just scatter the seeds where you want them to bloom, and then sprinkle a little soil on top, no more than 1/4 inch. Then just compress them into the dirt and water well. They'll be up and growing in less than a week. Don't let spring go by without putting in some zinnias. You'll enjoy them all summer long. And you have your choice of just a packet or an ounce, a 1/4 pound or a pound for all of your zinnias. I'm Eric Allen for EdenBrothers.com, the seediest place on earth.